Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. This week I have a treat for you. Kind of a cross between cinnamon toast and a nice cheese pastry. There you go. Called a cinnamon cheese square. I tell you what, if you like cinnamon toast or if you like a cheese pastry, you're gonna love this. Come see how I made it. Follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed making it. Homestead Kitchen Living. Old guy, new recipe. Once a week. Tune in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching. And don't forget, always, always, always give thanks to your Creator for the food that He's endowed and blessed us with. Once again, thanks for watching.